Everyone, welcome to today's live show. After very long, we are coming live, and like you can see, we have beautiful set of lehengas ready for today, and it is going to be all lehengas are going to be under 10,000. So starting from 5,000 to 10,000 between range. So let's get started. First, we have a beautiful orange color, and all over the blouse there is beautiful cutwork detailing. If you can see.
Even the sleeves have the beautiful cut work.
Yeah, the cutwork is really pretty. And this is the lehenga.
Even the back side of the blouse, it's so designer.
And it has complete ghera. Like you can see, it's so lovely. And it's a beautiful orange, complete monochromatic lehenga. And comes with a fill-in dupatta.
Yeah, even the lehenga has come with the beautiful cut style.
Yeah, like it has cut work. It is not like a regular lehenga on the bottom.
So the whole dress is in the same color, but it's a beautiful combination with the gold zari work.
And price for this one is 8,848, 840.
This is
sizes
the whole look
available
of the
are
dress.
large and XL, small, medium, large, and XL. And even at the back, we have lovely cut work. So this is how it's going to look. Very lovely. This is the whole look of the lehenga. And we'll move on to the next one. And to order these lehengas, you can just send us a message on our WhatsApp number 73969 78275, or you can also visit our stores to make the purchase.
So one more coming up in beautiful lavender color.
It's a very pretty color.
Yeah, the whole lehenga is with the embroidery work and the pearl
Floral
work.
embroidery.
Pearl work and stone work is added in this. This is the blouse pattern.
Even this one has
the
pretty
cut
ghera,
style.
Yeah.
And the price is around 8,850.
8,850.
Yeah, lovely color combination.
Very beautiful.
Thread work.
Comes with a full length dupatta. All over dupatta there is this triangular cut work style.
Yeah. Let's open the dupatta. You can easily drape like the traditional style, all that somewhere like one side on the shoulder also. It's a very trendy look.
All lehengas have come with full length dupatta, so you can drape it like half sari. But this one is really cute, and there is actually one more color option in the same. Nats, can you give the white color in this? So there's one more color option, but let's do a closer.
No.
Like let's do a close up on the detailing. So there's like pearl work, there's stone work, lovely embroidery, very neat finishing, and comes with a sweetheart neckline. So to order this, you can just send us a screenshot and send us message on our WhatsApp number. And these are also available in both our stores, Tarangg Parklane Secunderabad branch or Tarangg Ameerpet branch. And this is the second color. So it's a lovely off-white. I'll open the skirt.
It's a beautiful color combination with this pink combination.
Ivory white color.
Ivory white and the pink and green combination is so beautifully designed. All over the blouse and the lehenga.
Even in this, we have sizes available.
Yeah, below 10,000 we are showing the lehengas, and these are all like S, M, L, XL. We have till 40 chest size option.
See, so pretty, very pretty color combination, and even the embroidery is really nice. And whatever size adjustments that you want, we will do it free of cost here at Tarangg.
Dupatta.
8,850 exact. And can you do a close up on the detailing?
This beautiful lehenga in two
so
color
it has
options.
Lovely embroidery, and if you notice, even the pink has shading, and it is not printed. All of this is embroidered onto the fabrics.
And the sleeves have the cut style, and the dupatta has the cut style and the lehenga.
Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Just a second.
Yeah, I'll take it. You take it. So one more coming up in beautiful, lovely yellow color combination, mustard yellow. See the beautiful blouse, and it's a sleeveless blouse, but sleeves are available for all the lehengas.
Yes.
Beautiful
Even
pattern.
if the blouse is sleeveless, we do have sleeves matching material, sleeves material.
Lovely, beautiful blouse with.
And it's a very beautiful fabric. Like if you can see. Like you can see, the ghera is really pretty. That's full ghera. It's very flowy flowy and
And
lovely.
see the cute tassels and the blouse, all over blouse and the lehenga, beautiful zari work.
Yeah, the tassels are really pretty.
And it has
So
come with
lovely, so
a
unique.
dual shade dupatta.
Yeah. So it's come with a shaded.
Price is 9695.
9695. Sleeves are available. This is the blouse. Sizes available are large and XL and 2XL in this one. And look at this tassel detailing on the blouse. Beautiful handwork done here. So lovely. And if you notice, even the blouse has like a cutwork detailing like this.
And
So
these
it's really
lovely
pretty.
beads, the hanging beads. So
Really
pretty.
beautiful. Let's move on to the next one. If you want to order anything, then please take a screenshot and just send us. Or
So
you
we
can
are
also
showing
visit our
all
store.
the lehengas in around 10,000 with different color combination under
Under 10,000.
10,000. This is a beautiful floral embroidery work lehenga. 8,460 is the price. This is the back side
Very
of the
pretty pink.
blouse.
Let
Few
me show
lehengas
you.
have the back openings and side zips also, like different patterns are designed.
The floral work here that is going on is really beautiful. Like you can see lovely sage green, beautiful shades of green.
Yeah, green, pink, all the different color shades in the pastel look. And
And these
such
are
a
the
lovely
tassels.
blouse. Even the sleeves have the beautiful work on the sleeves with the floral work.
It's chinon fabric, the lehenga. And this
So
is the dupatta. It's a matching dupatta.
beautiful color combination. 8,460 is the price.
This is the blouse. With
So beautifully
very
designed.
pretty color combination. In this we
And
have
we
one
have
more
one
color
more color
option.
option in this. This is the pink, onion pink shade, and we have in beautiful purple shade like.
Yeah, it's a
So
lovely
lovely
lavender color.
combinations and according.
Our shops are located in Hyderabad. We have two branches, Secunderabad Parklane and another branch is Tarangg Ameerpet. You can see the work on the sleeve is so pretty and intricate. Like it's so delicate and
These
pretty.
are the two lovely
And
colors
there's
with.
also mirror work on the blouse. It's really nice.
This is the one more color option in the same pattern.
Pretty, pretty purple. And of course, we do have sizes available.
And the price is 8,460. It's a lovely color combination, so
And
beautifully
this is like a
designed.
very soft tissue fabric, so it has this like a pattu saree sort of a shine, if you can
And
see.
even the border has
It's
that
really
gota
lovely.
patti work.
Yeah, gotapatti work. Only for 8,460. You can buy these by visiting our stores, or you can also order online, whichever is convenient and easy for you. To order online, you just have to send us a message on WhatsApp number and
It's a
send a
lovely color
screenshot.
combination.
And if you want to see something similar, then we do have video call facility. So you can see similar collections too. Let's move on to the next one. Just a second.
Yeah, one more
Itu
beautiful
saree.
lehenga is coming up with all the sequins and embroidery work. See the lovely color combination, so bright. Those who love the black color and the bright
The
combination, this is
sequence
the
work on this is
perfect
very, very
one.
pretty.
And see the
I'll show you
blouse and the work.
how pretty the skirt is. Like I think you
So
can
these
make
are like
out
perfect for all the
the
events like
shine.
Sangeet or any events will easily carry the outfit. See the birds,
Very
beads
beautiful floral embroidery. Like the color contrast is really good.
and dupatta.
Where is the dupatta? Just a second.
So
Yeah. So
dupatta.
it's a soft Georgette dupatta that comes along with this one, and it has lovely floral embroidery. So even though it's black, it has a lot of color going on. So it's really nice. Cost is 8850. This one has dupatta, and this is the blouse. Very pretty set. Also has these hanging beads here. This was a bestseller in like a month ago, and we sold so many pieces. So yeah.
Even still, it has a beauty demand. It's
Price is
8,000.
8850. Even in this we do have sizes up to plus size available. Let's
So the
move
whole
on to the
lehenga has a
next one.
sequence work, and one more coming up in the beautiful pastel
Yeah, it's a
color,
pretty pastel
pretty,
white.
yeah, ivory shade,
Yeah,
and
and this
all.
has tissue shine as
Yeah,
well.
this is the blouse with the different color combination, and it
Like
has
there's
a
so many colors on the lehenga, even though it's white, it's not like a plain white.
blouse size
Blouse
will
size
come
is
up from
38
34.
and 40.
Yeah, yeah, we can get it adjust if you want, looking for the smaller
For L
size.
size, it is 38 and 40, depends on the
Yeah,
design.
and can you guess the price? It's only 7695.
And for XL size, it is 42 chest size, and for 2XL, it is 44 chest size. So for small and extra small, we do alter it. And even for medium sizes, large sizes, we do adjust the blouses according to your exact body measurements.
And it has a lovely shine all over the lehenga. Has a lovely shine, Komal. Yeah.
7665.
See
7695
the
is the
colors
cost.
and the combination over the
It's
border
such a
also.
pretty lehenga for the price.
This is
Really,
the whole
really
look.
lovely. Wow. It's a steal deal, to be honest.
Yeah, these light dusky colors are popping up on the lehenga and in between the flowers. So
Yeah, can you do
beautifully
a close
designed.
up on this detailing? Like how pretty it is, like the sequins, the
The
embroidery.
work on the border and the flowers, it's so beautifully designed.
Very
Those who
lovely.
are looking for like, it's
It's
around,
7695 and sleeves are available. Even though it is sleeveless, sleeves are
yeah, all the
available and we
lehengas are,
also attach the sleeves for free. Even if you order online, it is free. Even if you purchase it in our store, it is
yeah, we
free.
do free alterations.
Yeah. So let's move on to
So
the
one more
next.
beautiful cherry red lehenga is coming up. Let's see the beautiful, lovely lehenga. Wow, such a
It has
beautiful
complete
color
embroidery.
combination. Like we are showing all the colors like darker shades and lighter shades. This is like 7795. All over the lehenga has the beautiful net style and the sequins.
Actually, it
Beautiful
is
shine.
complete embroidery on the fabric and also has sequins in the same. It is very, very pretty. It's a
Beautifully thread
beautiful
work,
red.
embroidered work, and it has come up with a full sleeves, and this is the back side of the blouse.
It's such a pretty, pretty color. Like it's a lovely deep red. Also, look at the dupatta, how beautiful it is. You can drape it in multiple ways because it's full length. And look at the tassels too.
So
So
below
pretty.
8,000, this is a lovely lehenga for the dark shade lovers. Perfect for all the events. There are so many upcoming events are
Especially
coming.
for the night parties, it is going to look really pretty.
You
And
can
this is the
grab this
full
lehenga for the
combination.
upcoming Rakhi or any events. These are beautiful, lovely outfits.
Even in this, we do have sizes. Also, look at these beautiful tassels. So lovely. So delicate. Like it makes it look very classy.
Yeah, it will be like around
No, I think we need to measure. For this
yeah.
exact lehenga, like some are little longer than the other. Yeah.
You can comment us we'll
Yeah,
reply in
just
personal.
message us,
Yeah.
just DM us and we will let you know the length exactly once we measure.
Beautiful, lovely color, orange shade. And can you guess the price? It's only below 5,000. This lovely outfit in the traditional style.
Yeah,
Beautiful
in this
color
we have so
combination,
many colors.
and it has all
We
over
also
work over the
got
border.
orange.
And the
Even orange
main
is
highlight
useful.
is that in between these uh, like zari dots with so lovely color combination.
This is 4660 only.
Yeah, we do
5XL,
have.
yeah, we will show you plus size lehengas as well. But not in these designs, there are different designs for
We
plus
do have
size.
collection till 50 chest size, but not all. Very few have in 50 chest size.
This is the dupatta. It's so pretty. Comes with complete embroidery design.
4660 is the price.
And even this blouse is sleeveless, but we do have sleeves. You can select any length up to 3/4, or if you want elbow length, or if you want short sleeves, cap sleeves, anything is possible. This is the next one. 60.
4,660.
No, all these are completely stitched pieces. These are not unstitched or semi-stitched.
You can message us on the number showing on the WhatsApp or on the screen. will reply. Our team will be assisting
Oh,
you.
it's a lovely butter yellow color, the next
Yeah.
lehenga, which is
We do
very
have the
trending.
video call option too, and we will share the pics and videos too. It's a lovely
So
light
lovely.
lemon, beautiful lemon yellow color combination.
Yellow with gold is such a
Yeah,
classy color
7,
combination.
and it has not the bright gold. It has like the silverish gold combination. 7320, below 7,500. The lovely lehenga.
Wow, just look at the detailing on the blouse. Can you do a close up? Here it's so pretty, like the detailing, mirror work, even the back part. Like if you see, all of this is very beautiful. It's not
It's
godapatti,
a
it is
sequence and
complete
embroidery shine.
mirror work
Yeah.
embroidered. Yeah, if you watch the beginning of the live session, we showed a lot of lavenders and lilacs. We'll also be posting this live. Then this set comes with an organza dupatta. Wow. Just look at this. Also, we'll see lilac. One more lilac we will show you
So
because we just
we'll
got
show.
a request. Yeah, look at this beautiful organza dupatta. So pretty.
So this
And
is the
price
lovely lavender color,
in the same.
the same, and 7320 is the price.
Yeah, there's one more color
You can
option.
take the screenshot. You can message us on the WhatsApp. The same in the lovely lavender color, 7320.
Yes, this is also very, very lovely. And you can see how much ghera the skirt has.
The
So it has
lehengas.
lot of flair. Very elegant too.
These are the two color combinations in the dusky shades and the shimmery shine.
Wow, look at the soft tissue dupatta. It's really pretty. And can you give me the blouse?
Yeah, this is the blouse. Lovely blouse.
Blouse has very intricate detailing.
This is the front part, and see the back design too.
Yeah, it is really pretty. And sleeves are available for
Yeah,
the
and
same.
these are the sleeves for the blouse. It's the back side of the blouse.
See, the work is really lovely. Even the back cut. It's very pretty. 7320 is the cost. And yeah, this is
So same series, we have the bright purple shade with beautiful pearl work and the cut beads work.
This is 10,500.
Yeah, this is 10,550 with the fabric. It has a premium fabric like the Georgette fabric, and the lehenga has a beautiful pearl work.
And there's lots of ghera. See? So pretty.
Something like the designer wear, not the regular traditional style. But see the lovely color combination. The pearl color is popping up on the bright color lehenga.
And it comes with a small crop top blouse. But instead of a different style dupatta, we have the same Georgette fabric, which makes it very, very classy.
Yeah, perfect for the sangeet or any party occasion. These are perfect.
Yeah. See, the pearl work detailing is so lovely all over the blouse. And the cost is 10,550.
Even the waist has a lovely work.
Yeah, even around the waist, the same work. It's like a very simple, subtle design. And let's see the next one.
Something in beautiful, lovely peacock green color. Wow, it's so gorgeous. See the cut bead style over the blouse. So pretty.
Oh, the blouse is really
And few blouses like you can mix and
Even
match
the
with the
dupatta is
plain
very-
sarees too. Zoom the blouse. It's so pretty. So beautifully designed in the embroidery work and the pearl work. So these blouses can be worn on the plain sarees too. And it's 10,080.
The color is really lovely. Like this color we haven't seen in today's live. You can see it is a lovely, it's like a peacock green color with complete gold contrast. And wait until you look at the dupatta.
And dupatta has come with a beautiful Banarasi dupatta.
Yeah, that's
It's so
complete
different
Banarasi
combination. You can see the color on the lehenga. It's not that much bright. It's like the antique color combination.
weave. Yeah, lovely gold. And it is a complete Banarasi embossing all over the dupatta.
And these are like you can mix and match. Like you can make it into 3 different designs. Like the blouse can be used or the dupatta And
Blouse
the
is
lehenga.
really lovely.
So multiple ways you can wear this beautiful, lovely lehenga.
Yeah, you can do a close up on the detailing. So pretty, like complete sequence
Even
work,
though it
bead work,
looks so
and cut.
heavy, but it's little lightweight only and heavy designer one.
And 10,080 is the cost. And we'll see one more peach color. That one, this one, okay. Lovely pink.
Wow. Even this blouse can be mix and matched with other plain sarees
Yeah.
too. See the gorgeous blouse. And can you guess the price? It's only 7510. Not the blouse, the complete set, the lehenga, blouse and dupatta. See the cut style and the pattern design.
Such a pretty
Zoom the
color.
blouse.
Even the dupatta is very
See, all over the
lovely.
blouse is the heavy work and the pearl work.
Comes with a lovely floral dupatta. And even the dupatta has scallop with pearls. Like the pearl scallop border. Such a lovely soft organza dupatta. See, it's a very lovely flowing
It's a
material.
traditional style in the Indo-Western way. You can wear this lehengas.
It's really lovely. Actually, I really love this blouse
The
a
blouse and
lot.
dupatta.
Look at it, it's so completely loaded with work. Can you do a close up on the blouse too? So lovely. And this is the whole set is just
Coming in to 7520.
7510. Yeah, 7510. So
Lovely.
pretty. And the last one for today's live.
Beautiful color combination. Such a lovely color in the with the silver work. See
The
the
Georgette
color
lehenga,
and the
bole
work over
chudiya
the
vibes.
blouse. It's 7695.
It's like bole chudiya lehenga, like the Bollywood type.
Yeah.
Actually, we are showing only the starting size today, but all these are available
In
in up
plus
to
sizes.
2XL sizes.
You can see the silver shine work, like if you
It's sequence.
perfect for the dance way or the sangeet outfits. See the silver shine over the lehenga and the blouse.
Blouse is really pretty. Like, and you can do a close up
And see the lovely
on the
dupatta.
work.
It has all over dupatta has the mirror style border. Also lovely.
And sleeves are available for this.
So just
Not
zoom and
going
show
to.
the beautiful dupatta with the mirror work. All over four sides has the mirror work border,
And it
and
is
it's
giving complete Bollywood vibes because it is Georgette and sequins and cut beads.
and
It's
see the
really
fall.
pretty.
Even the dupatta is like very
And it's
soft
only
fabric.
7695 for this beautiful set.
Just keep that one. The lehenga and the blouse. So pretty. It's the whole look
So
of the
lovely.
dress.
So thank you for watching the whole video, and we will be posting this live, and for many we have like many such collections in store. We are able to show just a few.
Samples
Yeah.
for an idea.
Yeah. So you can visit our stores for many such collections, and if you want to order anything from today's live, please send us a screenshot on WhatsApp, or you can also visit our stores to shop these before they are
Yeah.
sold out. So visit soon. Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you.